This is the Florium Magister motorhome. It's the 74 LMF version, and for this we are looking at 84,000 euros. So this vehicle has a lounge here with an enormous table. It's got a bed in the roof. It's got a large kitchen, and at the back we find a double bed. Storage on either side of the bed, and above it, of course, mattress. Made in France, but then again, most of this is. And we could even, if we wanted to, we can lift this whole thing up. But I'm not going to do it because I don't have the strength to lift the whole mattress up. And that's a problem. As you get older, you get weaker. Mind you, when I was at my peak, I very much doubt I could have lifted all of that. Doors here to the toilet, which closes to keep out people from the front. Very bright toilet, and on the other side we have got a bright separate shower, which is contoured. It's not a square shape. I think that's done to allow this door here to close. I think that's the point. There you go, there's a door going back. Kitchen's got a large sink with a domestic drainage, 2 burners in the kitchen, and this gives you a bit more storage for your television, and television will slide out, and I think the idea is to watch it from down there. Good bit of advice there: no high heels on the table. Push this. Bed will drop down via a key, and this is a problem with this lipid components. The keys break. I brought the subject up with the company, and they didn't know where to get new keys from. Not good, in my opinion. This opens like that, and here we have the freezer, fat fridge with lots of space in it. Here we have a face to face around the table. I'll remove this, and I shall bring out the table to show you how big it is. There's the table coming out, and you got a huge amount of space. Look, it's really big, that one. Yeah, you could play cricket on that. One thing we've got now, we've got belted positions over here, and what happens is one needs to take this out. There are holes there in which to place a back which is in the garage at present, and that allows a seat to be made so when we move forward it's in the direction of traffic, so you can see where you're going. But I think it's because something to do with safety. In a separate video I'll show you the bed coming down. Got a mirror as we leave. Does have a step up there. So that's for the cassette toilet, and here we've got the garage, and there are the backs to the chairs which I mentioned earlier. Now here we can also see that the bed will go up and down, so we can do that. That works electrically, and let's see if I can actually do that for you. But might it be turned off, which I understand, because there's good reasons to turn it off. And as you can see, this comes down. Now, what we've done now is that we have made the garage smaller. It's still pretty big though. I mean, it's not too bad. The reason that this is in the garage is so you don't actually break anything, and that I absolutely appreciate. Let's have a look and see what it's done inside. If anything, has the bed gone down, or is it still in the same position? There you go. That's much easier now to get into, but the price of this is less space in the back. As it's easy to get into, I'll come and show you what I didn't show you earlier, which is the wardrobe there, and here, storage. Don't think I demonstrated this very well either, did I? I can't. Why can't I do it? Because it's locked somewhere. Also, this comes across. There you go, sorry. And there's the door from the inside. Now, I think the electric bed actually is a pretty good idea. I personally like to have things manual as much as possible, but I'd be the first to admit that doing that manually might take some time. So that is the that's that bed going up and down. Let's have a look here at the rear again. There you go. So let's close this door. It's not closed thoroughly, but the next person that comes along. And at the back. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you found that of interest. And this is the largest selection of motorhomes on YouTube on this channel, and so you can see this and everything in this range here. So it might be the most recent one, but the entire range from Florium Magister is on this channel. So thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.